Papa, when everyone is busy and confused, who helps them work properly again?
That's a very good question. In Scrum, there is a role meant exactly for that.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. Imagine a sweet shop. Customers are waiting, orders are mixed up, ingredients are missing. Everyone is talking at the same time. No one is doing anything wrong, but the work is not moving smoothly. In situations like this, Scrum has a role that is called Scrum Master. A Scrum Master focuses on one simple thing: helping the team work better by removing any obstacle. Scrum Master does not tell people what to do. Basically, they help remove anything which is stopping their work. In our sweet shop example, maybe the ingredients are arriving late. Maybe the process is unclear. Maybe there are too many interruptions for the team. The Scrum Master do not control the people. They quietly improve the system and processes. This is why many people get confused with a Scrum Master. A Scrum Master is not a project manager, is not a people manager. Scrum Master does not assign tasks. Scrum Master is a problem solver for the team. So remember this, guys. Scrum Master don't manage people. They remove obstacle, whatever is coming in the way for completion of work. So if you learned something from this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment on what you would like to learn next.
So Scrum Master help everyone without ordering them?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.